So today we're going to talk about the new Ryzen Bristol Bridge architecture, which this is kind of basically for like small devices like tablets, all that kind of stuff. And I mean, I'm not saying limited to tablets, but this is kind of like the Ryzen that includes pretty much like the graphics, and it kind of falls in that category of laptops and tablets and things that necessarily you wouldn't be having a GPU in there, that you'd be going out and buy something custom. And everybody's wondering, well, obviously if you're gaming on a laptop with, these kind of specs, then obviously you're not really into real gaming. Because I mean, if you compare any of these specs to a laptop, you're going to be going, or a desktop processor and a desktop GPU, you're going to be, completely surprised, because it's obviously going to be much better. But the thing about this Bristol Bridge, this new architecture, is they're including the Vega dies into the CPU, and obviously, if you have the Vega gaming and the Vega graphics kind of already built into the processor, I mean, the big thing about this though is it has about 8 cores, and I believe 4 cores and 8 threads, which is pretty much like an i7. And don't get me wrong, obviously, it's running at I think it's 2 gigahertz is what I remember saying, but it's about 50% better in the CPU system than the previous, as well as 40% in the GPU section of the processor, which means that since it's all in one, you can put it into a computer and have like the integrated graphics that's kind of like Vega graphics. And I know Intel's integrated graphics is not necessarily the best, so I'm really interested to see how well this performs when they release it, because obviously if it's like anything like Intel's graphics, you really can't game on it. And it'd be nice to have a computer that it supports some games at some decent settings, including the fact that it does include the Vega graphics already in there. But that's all up to what we see in the future and stuff. But if you guys did enjoy this video, go down below and hit it up with a like, and we'll see you guys next time.